Hi friends, today is 22nd day of communication skill enhancement practice. Daily what I am doing is I am daily making 10-minute video to practice and improve my communication skills as well as English speaking skills. It is not our daily day-to-day habit to practice English and also communicate in a formal manner. So to practice, so if we have to improve these skills, we have to practice it daily. That I am doing it daily, and also to inspire others that other people to practice English speaking and communication skill so that they can improve that skill, because this skill will take some time to grow. This skill needs some time to get yourself acquainted, like learning a bike and car, like learning a bicycle. It needs some time and practice. It needs both. It needs practice, it needs time, also it needs some guidance. You should know how to balance the cycle. You should know where the car's gears and the clutch etc are. You should know all these things and you should practice these things. So learning from a mentor and practicing will help us to improve the skill. To be acquainted with this skill, we have to practice daily. If we practice daily, we will be acquainted with these skills. Our subconscious mind will bombard it with too much information about communication skills and speaking English skills, so that it will be too much acquainted and give us the time, gives us the result when we required. Because at the time of any interview, any specific communication, we need to communicate and express and influence people. At the time, if we struggle, we should struggle at this moment. That is okay. If we struggle at the moment itself, when we require to influence, we require to communicate, then it will not work. So don't afraid, don't be shy to struggle, because struggle is a part of success. You cannot be successful without struggle. You can see the many successful peoples, but when you will search their histories, then you will find lots and lots of struggle. If you will find any successful people like Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Jeff Bezos, you will find lots of struggle in them. They have also lost so many things. At the time came when they have lost many things and they have nothing to have. Steve Jobs have nothing to eat for a day. He don't have proper meals for a day. He have to walk for a long. He have to make a long walk to go the Ramakrishna temple to get some meal. So life is not easy for the successful people also. They have to struggle a lot, and so I am also struggling to improve my communication skills. But I am enjoying my struggle. I am struggling to speak English properly. But I am enjoying that struggle, because I know if I will struggle continuously, then one day I will be successful. But if I will not struggle at all, if I will not practice at all, the day will not come. The day will never come that I will be successful. One story. Today I will share two stories which will be give some lesson in your journey of life. The first story is, then there is a jungle. The lion has started using his power, misusing his power. Lion has continuously started misusing his power. So what happened? The other animals started to think that lion is misusing his power of kingdom. He is a king of jungle. He should be take care of others. Instead of taking care of others, he is showing some authority and also showing his power to others, and he is not care of others. He is not taking care of anybody. He is not thinking of anybody else. He is just doing whatever he wants because he is powerful. He is a king. He can do anything. So the animals are thinking that what we should do, so that we can be find so that we can find another king who will be more stronger, who will be also more careful, who will be more care for others, who will take care of others, who will think for others. He will not only work for himself, he also take care of others. So the other all animals sit down, like other animals like elephant, tiger, monkey, donkey, crocodile, and also giraffe, zebra. So many animals are there. They have started to thinking that who can be our king. Then after so many discussion, they thought that the person who can be above, who will be there more, who can reach more height, who can see more things, can judge, take decision fast. So they have, they make a contest, and they thought that the animal who can reach the trees fast, who can reach the highest tree, top of the highest tree, he can be have the more command, because he can see the more all jungle, so he can have more authority, and he can take care of us. He may be also inform if something is happening outside there and someone is coming to jungle to, if there is some threat, he can inform others, he can take care of others. So after so many thoughts discussion, they have, what they have done, they have made monkey to their king. They have made monkey to the king, but after that the lion has listened that, and lion has came. He has got angry that I am king. How high you are, make monkey the king? I will then he start attacking to other animals. But when he started attacking other animals, the animals started to say to monkey that please help us. You are the king now, and please help us to survive, because we have make you king. You should help us to survive. But the monkey, what has done? He has done just jumping from one tree to another trees, one tree to another trees. So then the other animals are just said, "What are you doing? Lion is attacking you, attacking us. What are you doing? What just jumping?" The monkey said, "I am doing my work. I am trying my best. What can else I can do? I am trying my best. That can I do?" So that is the learning, that we should think twice before taking a decision. Just jumping from one thing to another thing will not help. We have to take decision which should have some impact. Just making monkey a king will not have any impact. If there is a problem that lion is king, so we should think in other way to find a solution. So that is the one story which have many lessons. People can take something other lesson from there also. And another story which touched my heart is that everybody maybe listen at the childhood. That was the tortoise and rabbit, and they have make a race. They just started race, and tortoise start working. The rabbit start jumping, and very fast he reach the destination. But be, be, before to reach the destination, he has stopped, and he thought that tortoise is very slow and he cannot reach it, so I will reach it very fast. Let's take some rest. And so he takes rest, he go to sleep, and tortoise reach the destination. Tortoise win the race. So there is also so many lessons. So one lesson which I want to say you, that take small steps continuously. What tortoise has done. But what rabbit has done, continuously jumping fast to get the result. Yes, when you are jumping to the fast to the getting result, you can achieve the result faster. But to succeed, continuously, you can go faster, but steady movement. You may be not slow, you may be fast, but steady and continuous movement will win the race. I do not say that just go slow and you will win the race. I'm not saying at all. I'm saying that stay in a race, steadily move forward, move ahead, take small step, and if done, take big step if you can done. If you can take big step, you can take it. You can take small step, you can take it. But take steps daily. Daily making steps will help you to reach your destination faster. Daily practice will improve your communication skills, and small improvement will give you confidence. Thanks for watching.